Hi guys, how are you all today? Yes, I can't wait to see you all and our customers at the Index Trade Fair show. Yes? How about you, Ella? Where are you?
Hi Celine, I'm just going to the airport. I really want to show our customers our sustainable solutions for packaging. How about you, Jordi?
Hey, hi Ella. Just got into the hotel room. And don't forget about the recyclable films for wet wipes. Yeah, we will rock it. What about you, Jaime?
Cannot wait any longer. Finally back to normality. See you at the Index exhibition in Geneva on October the 19th. Take care. Bye.